Hello, and welcome to this confidence meditation for kids. My name is Amanda, and I am truly honored and excited to be your guide. When I was a kid, I struggled with confidence. I was quiet, sort of shy. I had lots I wanted to say, but I would stop myself. And I used to get bullied. This is a true story. The one summer my family moved across town, and I was going into 6th grade, and I was going to be in a new school. I decided that I was going to be confident and not let anyone push me around anymore. Confidence is a choice. Of course, I still had my insecurities on the inside, but when I walked into that classroom, when I became the new kid at that school, I told myself I am confident, almost like reinventing myself, making a choice, or faking it till you make it. You can build up confidence that way. Acting as if you're confident now when you walk into a room. Hold your head high, your posture strong. Have a smile on your face. Make eye contact with people. Raise your hand in class. Talk to someone you might not have talked to before. Take a risk in trying something new. These are all ways to build your confidence. We'll do a little meditation now. Allow yourself to sit comfortably. Maybe close your eyes. Starting with an inhale, all the way in. Great job. And exhale, all the way out. Now with this breath, when you breathe in, pretend you're smelling a delicious smelling rose. Does that smell good? Breathe all the way in through your nose, smelling that flower. And now when you blow out, let's pretend we're blowing out some birthday candles. And exhale, blow out those candles. Great job. Do that one more time. Breathing in through the nose like you're smelling the most beautiful bouquet of flowers. All the way in. And exhale, blowing out the candles. Great work. If your mind starts to wander, thinking of different thoughts, just bring it back to the breath. And do your best to listen to these words. I'd like you to think in your mind of someone who you think has a lot of confidence. It can be a parent, a teacher, it could be a rock star, or an athlete, someone who you admire. Maybe it's a speaker or an author, someone who has confidence and courage. Imagine them in your mind right now. When you see them, they hand you a jacket. Now, this is not just any kind of jacket. This is a jacket that has every ounce of their courage in it. And when you put this jacket on, you become the most courageous and confident version of yourself. So now I would like you to put on the jacket. And when you do, how do you feel? How do you stand? How do you talk? Imagine yourself walking into a situation where maybe in the past you felt uncomfortable. But with this jacket on, you feel so confident. Imagine something in your mind now. Maybe you're trying something new, or approaching a group of people, or raising your hand in class, or speaking in front of your class. Or maybe you're on stage doing a performance, but you have the confidence jacket on, so you feel incredible. And now I want you to take the jacket off. But as you stand there, you still feel really confident. You can put your hands on your hips like a power pose, like you're a superhero. And now you realize that confidence courage, resilience, being brave. It's all already within. It's not always easy, but the more that we can choose to be confident in situations, it's like building blocks. It's like putting one block on top of the other, and every time you put yourself in an uncomfortable situation, your blocks keep growing until you have a huge house. So I encourage you to know within your heart that you belong. Your uniqueness is so special and such a light in this world that we need to see it. We need to hear you. And sure, it won't always go your way, but you know you can overcome anything. Your ability to bounce back from a challenge has less to do with the actual challenge and more to do with the way you think about it, your mindset. Choosing the more positive thought. You have a choice when it comes to your mindset too. And one of the most powerful ways to shift your mindset is the way that you talk to yourself. So tell yourself you can do it. Tell yourself you're learning. Tell yourself you're growing. You're smart. You are brave. So now, as we close this confidence meditation, I hope within every cell of your body, you feel more courageous. You feel more confident. And say to yourself, I am strong and capable. I believe in myself. I am brave and can handle anything. I am unique and special. Take one more deep breath in, all the way in, and exhale. Great job. You can always come back to your breath, and you can always come back to that stillness within, that knowing within, listening to the more positive voice, and sure, maybe putting on that confidence jacket if you need to. Thank you so much for joining me. I can feel the confidence radiating off of you. It has truly been my honor to share this time with you, and I can't wait for you to get out there and go get 'em. You got this.